Alright, this week I'm unboxing a special PlayStation exclusive collector's edition of Ghost Blade HD, which comes with, of course, this little thing right here and a whole bunch of crud, which is Ghost Blade HD game, Ghost Blade HD steel book, Arrow soundtrack CD, and a number collectible or something. I think the plastic's kind of messy moment. I can't see it really. Okay, I like this thing right here. What is that supposed to be? 1995 EA's weird. And this is weird. It says Nintendo Pro Switch Pro controller for. This is just a basic shooter. First time I bought something from this thing, and also bought something else that's kind of hard to find. So. Found this. These things are kind of hard to find for my 3DS. Only 3DS is one that can take things out. I can find a whole bunch on the Nintendo website when you buy stuff, and they got just basically stuff like this. It's hard to find someplace. Yeah, I got a Disney one. I mean, it's just Japanese version, but it will still fit on it. Sweet. So I was finding out it's like something exclusive during this game you're gonna get there. But let's start with this thing, the keychain. And only one tape. It says recycle and don't throw away, and the 3 H's. And of course, it's the name of the website there. Oh, oh crap, you can put the game in here. Pretty cool, actually. Alright, let's get to the main game. And this thing was the one that I was waiting for. I ordered this about almost 2 months ago. And it took a month to get to the States. Then I got stuck in one of the states near the Three Great Lakes, which I thought I was gonna get stuck in a lake or something. And I got stuck there, but what is this thing? It's a sticker. That would be a code or something. Thought it was a sticker. I'm not sure anymore. Yep, it's a sticker. I don't know where I'm gonna put this thing at. Where was I? Oh yeah. I got stuck for like half a month in that area, so it took almost 2 months to get here. I'm guessing it's just because of virus going on. Hopefully, next time I order for this, it won't take that long. I mean, I expect it to take a month if it's from came from Japan or China. I didn't order like fast order. I ordered the free order or the basic one. This game will be cheap. Okay. And I bought this on sale. That's why. I mean, I like shooter games, but I don't like them enough to pay like $60 for one. So I paid like $20 for this collection when it was on sale. And how you open it again? Oh. Okay, we have this thing. What I believe is the current number. So I got number 1. Oh, that's what that old damn thing is. So it was only 3,000 of these collectibles. We got a soundtrack. Hopefully the music on these things, I mean these 3 things are going to be good. The shooter, game has to be good. The music has to be good. And the boss fights have to be good. So if the music is good, the CD right here would be great. And in terms of the gameplay and what's that noise? The gameplay and the trailers I saw, the music was fun. I mean, that was just one. Well, since there's 14 tracks here, hopefully they're good tracks. Anything inside this here? Oh, no, the art things. Alright, so we got a soundtrack. Nice. We got a piece of paper. Alright. We got the game. See, alright. Okay. Nice. What the? Huh? Did they just... let's check this. Did they just double print the damn thing twice? Yeah, I don't see a huge difference. Oh, I get it now. This one has the art. So, and it has the HD version. Oh, cool. I do like this one better. Was supposed to be defense mode or something. And this thing comes with a freaking manual that goes on down. I got 3 ships to choose from. It's pretty small manual, but at least it has one. And of course, here's the game. Pretty small, little tiny. And of course, it fits in here. Thought it did. The heck? I just put it. Oh, wrong way. Yeah. Well, eventually they're gonna come out like this little tiny thing, and I'll put it there. That's just. Well, at least it's as a function, but man, it's kind of hard to take out. Oh, crud. Yeah, it's really hard to take out, so I would not recommend it. Okay, I apparently have to take out off the screen. And we have the steel case. This is the first one I own. Nice. Has the same background art. Now, they should have that kind of thing in here to put this game in there. Got it out. It's kind of hard to take out in here and put it in, so I would not recommend it. If they make those, you should make them like these. Sweet. And there we go, a pretty short video. I was expecting all this together. So here's my copy saying that this is the 1 HD collector edition. Here's a case. They should have put the number in this thing. Like these. Although I have an extra one either way when I use it. Yeah. Why did it say number 10 there though? and a soundtrack. So, nothing else I can do. I'm probably gonna show some gameplay in the future about this game. It's pretty nice. It's just a shooter, so I'm gonna just show a little bit. Maybe stuff, boss fights, if I get to them. And I can't wait to listen to this thing, see if it's good or not. I'll have to see. Right. Guess I'll see you guys next week. That's the collector edition for Ghost Blade HD that you exclusive buy for PlayAsian.com. And they didn't pay for this. I bought this myself from my own cash. Oh, it does say mini case down here. Notice that. Alright, see you guys next week. And I know this video is supposed to go up on Tuesday, but I'm still kind of working on the schedule, crude.